Hello, Victor here from Automatic Crewe, and today I will be showing you around this mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport. Finished in deep blue and powered by punchy 1.5 litre petrol engine delivering 136 PS paired with manual transmission, this mini offers fun and responsive drive that's perfect for commuting and country sprints. At the front, LED headlights with close ring daytime lights add character, while the John Cooper Works Aerodynamic kit and the piano black exterior trim give it assertive and athletic stance. It rides on striking 17-inch alloy wheels in black, offering distinctive design and improved road grip. At the back, you'll spot signature Union Jack LED taillights and sporty John Cooper Works roof spoiler. With practical boot and foldable 60/40 split rear seats, the mini hatch is more versatile than it looks. In the back, passengers benefit from sport seat contours, ISOFIX mounting points and subtle ambient lighting. Rear storage compartments add both utility and comfort. The front sport seats with mechanical adjustment provide excellent lateral support, while the headliner and piano black interior trim create a premium cockpit vibe. The leather steering wheel with multifunction controls makes every journey engaging and tactile. And behind it lies a crisp instrument cluster showing everything from gear change indicators to mini driving mode status. You get manual air conditioning, which ensures cabin comfort, an 8.8-inch infotainment touchscreen with LED ring for unique, vibrant and visual interface. This is equipped with FM and DAB radio as well as media connectivity and 6 speakers delivering excellent clarity. You also get Bluetooth communication for seamless hands-free calls and streaming, mini navigation with real-time traffic as well as mini connected services, and car menu, which includes technology in action for digital features and driver insights, as well as sport displays for real-time performance readouts. On top of that, the driver will benefit from the park distance control at the rear, helping you squeeze into tiny city space. This has been a presentation of the Mini Hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport. For more information, auto-arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.